Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today I am going to be applying and reviewing the La Mer, the Soft Fluid Longwear Foundation. This specific makeup contains the Miracle Broth and I want to give it a whirl and I want to give you guys the tea. Stay tuned. So I of course had to order this offline, so I hope I got the right color. I got it a little warm. So shake well. Okay, smooth onto face with fingertips or the foundation brush sold separately. I think the foundation brush is $80. Ugh. Okay, so it recommends a brush. We're gonna use the Sigma flat top. Okay, and blend outward from center down to neck to achieve a perfected, flawless look. I believe Patrick Ta has already taught me that trick in his videos. He is a La Mer ambassador. Okay, blending healing hydration in luminous color. This treatment, so they're not calling it a foundation, they're calling it a treatment. Refines the look of skin, smoothing imperfections while enhancing skin's natural beauty. Stays true, even in humidity. Available in 28 shades, 1 ounce. So this is a little more than your typical foundation, which is why I said, you know what, I'm gonna spend the $120 because who doesn't want La Mer on their face 24/7? Okay, so the color that I got is 230 Light Ochre. I don't know, I wanted to get a little bit of a warmer. The packaging is like a soft cardboard. Doesn't feel, this is a little bit raised, so that feels nice. So although it is cardboard, it still feels like you're holding something nice. Woo! Oh, don't hurt them! Damn! Look at this frosted packaging. Oh my God, here it is up close, you guys. Just take it in, take it in. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have like a chrome top. The bottle is like weighted, which we're living. Bro, soft ochre, this feels nice. Okay, so I'm gonna just open it up. I have no idea what to expect. This is my first makeup product by La Mer. All right, love, we love a good pumping moment. This isn't too, okay, it does say Skincare de La Mer here. The only problem with this is it does feel a little cheap. Sorry, La Mer, the rest of it feels expensive. This is just very light and flimsy. So I'm like, yeah, what's up with that? $120, girl, come on. They better have put, okay, so we're gonna pump a little bit off. I hope it matches my skin. Okay, guys. I'm so scared. I'm like nervous. Ah, a little bit. Ooh, it's very watery. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's dark. Oh my God, is it gonna, see how watery this is? How it's dripping down my hand? I was not expecting this. Ooh, we better start applying. Okay. So it looks dark on my hand. Ooh, it's very sheer. Oh my God, it's so watery. I wasn't expecting. Oh wait, I was supposed to shake it. Shoot, hold on. So that's what happens when you don't shake it. Wow. The little bit that I have on my skin is like, looks just like my skin. We're mixing it up really good. Thank you, La Mer, for teaching me that lesson. All right. So, let's try this again. We shook it up pretty good. It does still come out watery, but not as watery, so that's good. Wow, I've never used a foundation like this. I'm just gonna sweep in outward motions. So I did get it a tad darker than my natural skin. I got it in warm because summer's coming and, you know, I like things to be a little warm on my face, give me life. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, first of all, I can't feel this on my skin whatsoever. It honestly feels like a tinted moisturizer, but it glides really, really effortlessly, and I don't even feel it on my skin. And I honestly really, really like that because I'm getting tired of these really heavy full coverage foundations. You guys, you don't want to totally cover up your skin to the point that like, it's like all, like I do, and especially because I'm a skincare junkie, I like the idea of a lightweight buildable foundation. Guys, so it's on one side of my face. I think it looks flawless. I do have I keep looking up at my camera too, I apologize, but I do have like a dewy, luminous glow. It is extremely natural looking, although I do see in my nose area some streaks. Guess I'm gonna have to buy the brush to go with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna try this other side. I do have a little bit from when I first tried, but we're gonna try this other side with the Beauty Blender. I do like to wet my Beauty Blenders. I know, oh my God, I'm using a Morphe spray with La Mer foundation. Girl, who is she? Stop. Okay, we're just gonna wet her. We're just gonna make it wet. Okay, so we're gonna just shake it up again. I think we're gonna have to get used to shaking things up a bit. Oh, okay. So now that I'm patting it in, it definitely, you do get fuller coverage when you pat it in versus swipe it with a brush. So I do have to say that, which is fine. You know, it's like whatever you want to do. If you want it to be fuller, use a sponge. That's not a problem whatsoever. Just blend it out so good. Like, what the frig? What is this? What is this concoction that La Mer made? What is this magic potion? Again. Okay, you guys, so the next test is I'm going to wear this for the day and I'm gonna report back. I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it. If you are a full coverage girl and you like things to be thick and you like to totally mask your face, I don't know if I'd recommend it at this point, but maybe you could build it up to that level that you like. However, it's $120, so using more and more foundation to build it up to a full coverage look might be a little wasteful when it comes to finances and money, just FYI. But for me, I don't like a heavy foundation. I'm a skincare junkie. See you guys soon. I'm gonna report. Hi, you guys. So it is 9:17 at night. I've had this foundation on for about 4 hours now, and let me give you my final results. Here it is on my face. I do have to say that at this point, I definitely could use some powder, definitely on my forehead. I definitely am looking just a little dewy, if you will. But as far as cracks or anything like that, I'm looking at it in the mirror. I don't see any type of cracking or anything like that. It's interesting because my forehead seems very oily, but through here does not. Although I didn't put, actually, you know what? I didn't put setting powder on my forehead. So that might be why. Otherwise, I think it held up pretty nice. Now, I do want to say what I do want to say is this foundation is not non-transferable. Non-transferable means that it's not going to transfer on your clothes. Like the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which I always refer to, that is my favorite foundation. That's non-transferable. So if you have a t-shirt on or a mask on, it's not going to get all over the place. This, however, doesn't have that feature. And when I did wear my face mask out to the grocery store, because let's face it, that's reality today, it definitely got all over my face mask and it did take some off my chin here. So it is very, very light feeling on your skin and you don't need a lot to get a beautiful luminous filtered look. So I do love that, but I think it's easy to accidentally wipe off unless you build it up. Just FYI, if you have a full face on and you don't have as many layers on and you need to go somewhere in public and you need to wear a mask, heads up, you might have some difficulties. Now, the good parts. The good parts is I don't feel this on my face. I don't feel like I have a full face of foundation on. I don't feel I just don't feel cakey whatsoever. And me, I'm such a skincare junkie that I usually can't wait to come home and take my foundation off. I like my skin to be skin, and this definitely makes it feel like that, and it makes me feel comfortable, and I could definitely wear this all day without thinking twice. It's not matte. It definitely is luminous. I do think I need a powder, but that's quite okay with me because I carry around my Chanel Compact and I love it. And I just think oils are gonna come through unless you wear a very thick matte product, but then you're gonna deal with cracking and there's so many things to foundations. However, I love the way this feels on my skin. So what I also want to say is I did put bronzer on and I put concealer on, I put Tarte Shape Tape on, and let me tell you something, it's like night and day. I almost feel like, this is gonna sound brutal, but I almost feel like the Tarte is so cheap looking, it just doesn't look good on my skin whatsoever next to the La Mer foundation. Like, I feel like my skin just looks so healthy and awake and beautifully filtered, and then you just move over to this like cracked, like dry, like, I don't know, it just doesn't, even like my Lancome bronzer that I wear all the time that is also crazy expensive. Honestly, I just really just want to put this foundation on with a light pink blush and call it a day, girl. Other than that, I'm obsessed with the fact that it has SPF in it, 20. I think that's great. It's hard to find a lot of foundations that you like with SPF in it because they could be super, super shiny, shinier than what's going on my forehead. I didn't set my forehead, so that's probably why we're getting this. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know what you think of this product, and like how much we're obsessed with La Mer, Morgan's Potion Palooza, and the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. Duh. Bye everyone. Have a super miracle broth happy day.